Nizim Africa thokozani sanibonani dumelang absheni and hello. This is Dr. Udiketla Makehla nyangenkulu yase Nizim Africa. Kuyawudumedisa sawona dumela absheni and hello. Bakwethu angihambi ngedwa ngihamba nogogo Mkhanya Kude rightly from where hana?
I'm from Meatin.
Uhla Meatin la maside lawa umubheke ngase Eastern. Ku Eastern kwathu bawo. Anjani? Akere Eastern. Bo Sky City yakwa but wena Mid Valley, am I correct?
Mid Valley.
Yes. Dumedisa hlobile bona.
Thokozane adumedisa mona ke gogo Mkhanya Kude known as inyanga yenkosazana. Ngiyalumedisa kaofela babuhedi bamkhulu Hoti TV.
Bakwethu ki gogo wa dumedisa. Gogo ki batla qale mo. Before ya kae kapa kae. People want to be safe. People need assurance ya hore ngake ke ya ngoyona ka nnete tla nthusa. So first and foremost I want to know how muthu atla ko wena because of I drove many times coming to your place. It is in deep farms of Meatin. So I want to know uma umuntu eza kuwe ukuthola kanjani because of I've never seen a taxi where you are where you stay. So what's happening? Please try to explain the story. Muthatla wena utla jwang wenza kanjani sinabantu abadala like now how fitla mo I think that guy who came to see me today it's about almost 70s an old man. So an old man of 70 65 80 years batla jwang wena buela babuedi ba.
Okay, mina mkhulu umuntu makeza kimi
Yeah.
ugibela itaxi from Johannesburg CBD.
Yeah.
Ugibela itaxi Sky City.
Okay.
Then uyehla Sky City Mall.
Yeah.
And then bese mina ngithumela driver ebe pick up ayo from Sky City Mall.
Okay.
So from just Joburg CBD you take a taxi to Sky City, wehle Sky City Mall, then driver yakho koMkhanya Kude iyafika yakupick up ngifike ngibe busy nawe ngisebenze mase ngicedile driver iphinde yokuthathe ibabeke kuphi eSky City Mall.
You said last time you have about 4 cars izilanda abantu eSky City. Is it true?
It's true.
So but baba limo wabalata free of charge. But then when a person atla wena wabuka
yes
umuntu akezi nje
kumele ubuke and then uconfirm i-booking yakho so that nami ngiyazi ukuthi ngiplana kanjani because remember if ngitlola pick up I need to know ukuthi how many people I have for the day so that ungafiki lapha ume ube stranded for i-transport.
kanti awukho kuba khona sometimes because usenza abantu
yeah sometimes uthola ukuthi imoto ikuphi iyo dropa abanye
farm
isalindile so at least if I know ukuthi I have how many people ngiyakhona ukuthi already when mawufika uthola i-transport sekulindile.
Usavala ngo5 later so ususuvala ngobani manje?
Sengivala ngo6 manje.
Ngo6 manje later on. Okay no siyabonga. Asizela uthi buyisa isithandwa sakho. Buyisa isithandwa. Batho bashapile ngaditena uthini ukhuluma. Yawusmayilisa yena shabayini. Toshapa kaditena.
What's mujolo wanyisa.
So buyisa isithandwa, what do you say about it?
Okay. Mangikhuluma ngobuyisa isithando ngikhuluma nabantu umuntu othi yena bekahlala umfazi umshiyile uthola ukuthi uhlala nalomfazi it's been 15 years it's been 20 years lo mfazi lo umfakile nokumfundisa wamfaka isikolo yena maseka sebenza sekabona ukuthi ungcono kunawe okumhlambe wena uqale impilo naye from scratch angasebenzi maseka sebenza sekabona abangcono lapha emsebenzini
abafundile njengaye. Okay.
Awusale type jona yakhe hayi jona. So ngikhuluma nabo baba othi yena umfazi uhambile ufuna ukumbuyisa iza uzobona ugogo. So lempande engisebenzisayo umkhulu ngiyenza ngisebenzisa amanzi wasemfuleni.
Okay, niyanuka.
Yes, angithi yabona amanzi womfula ahamba kanjani ayazihambela awami.
So usisa lempande ukubiza lo muntu lo hambile.
Ngibiza lo muntu ohambile because amanzi ahamba yonke indawo.
Okay.
Umfula uyakhona ukuthi usuke la ngila use uyohlangana nomunye ulobo loshona bo as far as bo Cape Town.
Yeah.
So the reason why sisebenza lamanzi is to make sure ukuthi noma umuntu ukuphi uyamthola azabuye. It doesn't matter ukuthi how far is that person.
Okay.
Even if umuntu overseas uyakhona ukuthi aze ayenze abuye. Wabona ngale mpande leyo 3 days umuntu yabuye. I don't care ukuthi lo muntu ukuphi. I don't care ukuthi it's been how many years ungakhulumi naye ungamboni or uhlukene naye even 10 years ago, wena momfuna nje, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter nje.
So does this mpande work for abantu of future about to divorce? There is someone who divorce umuntu, but nasikere angisafuna divorce. Mutho waka senyamfuna. Does this mpande of yours work on that regard?
Iyasebenza mkhulu.
Okay.
Uyasebenza nje within 3 days nje utlobona wena uzomangala umuntu sekathi hayi mina sengiyayeka le ndaba divorce, we are no longer going through the divorce. Because the most dangerous thing is that most of the time umuntu makakushiya, you must know ukuthi umuthi was used ukuthi lo muntu akushiya. So nawe ukuthi umbuyise, you need umuthi. Angeke lo muntu aze abuye
without
using umuthi. Noma ungathi uzama ini, noma ungathi uyenza ini, because remember lo muntu la khona bambambe ngomuthi.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So lana angikhulumi nabo baba kuphela, even nabo mama ngikhuluma nabo ukuthi wena mama ubaba ukushile endlini wakushiya nabantwana. I don't care ukuthi ubaba una how many years ahlala nale new partner yakhe. Even if ukushiya 5 years ago, wena mawumfuna back iza uzobona ukoko mkhanya kude within 3 days indoda izobuyibuyile endlini and izobuya kube ubaba weqotho emzini wakhe,
ubaba weqiniso,
ubaba weqiniso
ibe monna tutu,
ibe monna, because atse bantho tse ding ya tse di etsa masebedisa meriana. Motho onkele monna amonke monna tsamayo makale monna ha asa gutle and o tlo mmona monna teng a never mmona a supporta bana go bele be shekareng ha inke ha
lo shapa
o shapa wena ha o sa le next. So ke bua le bontate, ke bua le bomme, wena othi ufuna ukubuyisa isithanda sakho, khuluma noko komkhanya kude ku 079 736 9523 079 736 9523. Asibuyisa isithando bakwethu within 3 days siyabuya isithando, irregardless of the area, irregardless of the years. Angikhathali nokuthi noma hamba nahlukana kanjani, lebale bayilongomba divorce wabathola settlement labala share into bona how mo batla back phonela go komkhanya kuthi.
So lempande is just by simple meaning or a simple saying, distance is not a barrier.
It's not.
Okay. But wait, ukokumkhanya kuthi directly from Meatin uthi umuza kuyena ngoba lapha kuse farm akuna taxi kwazi ukuze kesuke Sky City ingene lapha e farm and it's a big distance, 10 minutes. So uyakulanda la usuku khona azamele wena uyosetshenzwa lapha ya bese futhi akubuyisele emuva. The price batla phone like everything and all that.
Yeah, ntongolo ngaba phone because ezinye izinto akira to
social
media. Yes. So anyone abatlang information, you can WhatsApp or call uko komkhanya kude.
Bawethu siyabonga.